Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm super excited to share with you a game-changing kitchen tool that's going to make your meal preparation and snack storage a breeze. Say hello to the plastic food snack bag pouch clip sealer multicolor. First impression, I love the colorful design. It's so fun and playful, and the packaging is compact and easy to open. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. Okay, now it's time to put this baby to the test, and as you can see, it's super easy to use, and just place the bag in the clip, squeeze, and voila, your snack and are sealed and fresh. So what do I think of this product? Honestly, I am observed it's so easy to use, and it's perfect for meal preparation, snack storage, and even travel. The multicolor design is also a great touch. It add a pop of color to my kitchen. That's it for today's unboxing review. If you are looking for the kitchen tools that's functional, fun, and easy to use, I highly recommended the plastic food snacks bag pouch clip sealer multicolor. Thanks for watching, and if you want to purchase this product guys, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who take the time to tune in. Your support means the world to me, and creating content is a journey, and knowing that you are part of it motivates me to keep pushing boundaries and exploring new ideas. Every like, comment, share help me grow and improving, and I am grateful for the community we are building together. I strive to deliver content that not only entertain but also inform and inspire. Your feedback is invaluable, and so please keep sharing your thoughts, suggestions. I want to make sure I am providing what you want to say. Remember, this is a two-way street. Your engagement fuel my creativity, and I am excited to continue this adventure with you. If you have not already, make sure to hit that follow button so you don't miss out on what's coming next. Let's keep the conversation going. I love hearing from you in the comments, so drop your thoughts below, or let me know what topic you would like me to cover next. Together we can create something truly special. Thank you for once again for being part of this journey. Your support is the reason I do what I do, and I can't wait to share more amazing content with you all. Stay tuned guys. Till then, bye, take care. Thank you for watching my video.